There's a quiet difference between a blender that simply works and one that consistently delivers exactly what you expect every single time. If you've ever wondered what that upgrade feels like, this might be worth your attention. Welcome to Buy with Confidence. Today we're taking a close, unbiased look at the Vitamix Propel Series 750 Professional Grade Blender. This is a premium countertop blender designed for those who want consistent, high-quality results, whether that's daily smoothies, hot soups, or more advanced recipes. If you value durability, precision, and long-term performance in your kitchen tools, this product is clearly positioned for you. You'll find the purchase link in the description below. Let's go through the key reasons to consider it. Reason 1. Consistency through intelligent automation. The Propel 750 features 4 dedicated blending programs for smoothies, hot soups, frozen desserts, and dips. These are not just presets, they're calibrated cycles that adjust speed and timing automatically. In everyday use, this means less guesswork and more reliable results, especially when you're multitasking. It brings a level of repeatable precision that many standard blenders simply don't offer. Reason 2. Professional-grade motor performance. At the core is a 2.2 horsepower motor, and this is where the experience truly changes. It handles dense ingredients, frozen fruits, fibrous vegetables, nuts, without hesitation. The result is smoother textures, faster blends, and less strain on the machine over time. For users who blend frequently, this kind of power translates into both convenience and longevity. Reason 3. Find control when you need it. Beyond automation, you also get 10 variable speed settings and a pulse function. This gives you granular control for recipes that require a specific texture, like chunky salsas or thick nut butters. It's a thoughtful balance between convenience and manual precision, appealing to both beginners and experienced users. Reason 4. Durable blade and container system. The laser-cut stainless steel blades are designed to maintain sharpness over years of use, even under heavy loads. Paired with the 64-ounce BPA-free container, the system creates the signature Vitamix vortex for efficient blending. The low-profile design also fits comfortably under most kitchen cabinets, which is a practical detail many overlook until it matters. Reason 5. Effortless cleaning experience. The self-cleaning program is simple, but genuinely valuable. Add warm water, a drop of dish soap, and run the cycle. It cleans itself in under a minute. For daily users, this removes one of the most common friction points in owning a high-performance blender. Reason 6. Long-term reliability and warranty. Backed by a 7-year limited warranty, this blender is built with longevity in mind. In fact, Vitamix products are widely known to last significantly longer than average blenders. This reduces replacement costs over time and adds a level of confidence to your purchase. It's no surprise it's trusted by many 5-star reviewers who prioritize durability and consistent results. Now, a balanced perspective is important. The Propel 750 sits in the premium price category, which may not suit occasional users. It's also more powerful than what some simple blending tasks require. And while the design is refined, it remains function-focused rather than compact. Final verdict. The Vitamix Propel Series 750 is best suited for serious home users, those who blend frequently, value consistency, and want a machine that performs reliably over years, not months. It stands out through its combination of intelligent programs, strong motor performance, and long-term build quality. If those align with your needs, it's considered an investment rather than an impulse buy. If you're looking for a blender you won't need to replace anytime soon, this is one worth evaluating carefully. Take a moment to explore the details through the link in the description and decide if it fits your kitchen and your routine.